You've waited long enough for a floor drain that's easy to install and built for durability. Introducing the EZ1. It's about time. Sold complete and ready to install, EZ1 is an intuitive product that saves you time and money. We've gone the extra mile to spare you a step or two with a system that offers unrivaled flexibility. EZ1's integrated engineering includes an easy post-pour adjustment and tilt accessory package, delivers job site flexibility and user-friendly installation. Unlike our competitors, EZ1 strainer is built into the assembly and lifts with the cover to speed installation. Stocked locally in both cast iron and plastic, EZ1 is crafted to stand up against wear and tear over the building's lifespan. The EZ1 from Zurn, an integrated system that simplifies installation and ensures no lost components on the job site. The robust cover and great design is load rated to 3,000 pounds and offers protection from job site debris. Ships completely assembled, ready for installation, allows for post-pour adjustment, and provides job site flexibility and durability. What does this all mean to you? A savings of 14 minutes per drain installation. The new EZ1 from Zurn. It's about time. To gain your competitive edge and start saving time today, visit zurn.com/EZ1.